Hi and welcome to this introduction video. I hope you are doing well. Here we have published a package of the CFD and fluid structure interaction in Abaqus. In the fluid structure interaction, we consider co-simulation as the CFD and a standard model, SPH method, and CL model. So if you click on title, then you will have an introduction to FSI and CFD analysis here, the applications, the type, one-way or two-way, then the CFD model, and you will have here some figures of the model in the Abaqus. For instance, here this is the SPH model. Here we have a water barrier here, and this is the water, and this is the SPH model. Then we have FSI model, co-simulation of some biomechanical model, blood vessel, and then the CL method, interaction between water and the tank, forming process with SPH model. Fluid is water and the structure is the aluminum plate. Then the water penetration, CFD model of the uh, aluminium with flexible tail here in the Abaqus CFD and co-simulation model, and then the SPHCl sloshing and anything here. See, you can see here also this is the CFD model of the mixing some fluid with different temperatures. Okay, so in this package, in the FSI and CFD package, you will learn everything about modeling and simulation of FSI and CFD. The package contains 14 separate models or 14 separate tutorials, including all files and materials in Abaqus and also step-by-step English video. You can see here these are the titles of each tutorial here or each model. 14 titles and 14 models. If you use this package, you will learn all FSI and CFD model in Abaqus. The price of this package is 73 euros. You can use Tether, Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. If you are interested in CFD and FSI package, contact us at this email. Then we will answer your question. If you need more information about the package, the content, or the payment method, there we will be available to answer your questions. So for now, thank you for your attention.